Slope and similar triangles, lesson 7.6. The standard for today is 8EE6. The objective is to relate the slope of a line to similar triangles. The essential question is, how can you determine congruence and similarity? Now remember, slope equals rise over run. Example number 1. In the figure shown, triangle ABC and triangle BDE are slope triangles. Slope triangles are similar. Write a ratio comparing the rise over the run for each triangle. Then simplify them. What do you notice? Now let's look at the triangles. We'll start with the large one. The rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the run is 1, 2, 3. So that's 6 divided by 3. And that will give us 2. Now let's look at the small triangle. The rise is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the run is 1, 2. So that's 4 divided by 2. And that will also give us 2. So what do you notice? Similar triangles have the same slope. Example number 2. Write a ratio comparing the rise over the run for each triangle shown. Then simplify them. What do you notice? So let's start with the large triangle. The rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The run is 1, 2, 3. However, I notice that the slope is going down, so my rise is going to be negative 6 divided by 3. That's going to give me a negative 2. Now let's look at the small triangle. The rise is 1, 2. The run is 1. However, it's also a negative slope, so my rise is going to be negative 2 divided by 1. So that's going to give me negative 2 as well. So similar triangles have the same slope. Example number 3. The pitch of a roof refers to the slope of the roof line. Choose 2 points on the roof and find the pitch of the roof shown. Then, verify that the pitch is the same by choosing a different set of points. So we're going to start with the small triangle. The rise is 1. The run is 1, 2. So remember, slope is rise over run. So I have my rise is 1, my run is 2, which also equals 0.5. Now let's look at the large triangle. My rise is 1, 2. My run is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be 2 divided by 4. If I were to simplify that, that would be 1/2, which also equals 0.5. So the pitch of the roof is the same at different places. And the reason for that is because we ended up with the same slope.